Today I'm going to be replacing the shifter shaft and the shifter shaft bushings. As you can see, a lot of slop. Items I'm going to be using today: the shifter shaft 33709-82A, bushings 42642-00A. Got two of them. Purchased from Harley Davidson. All this was approximately $32 and change. The tool was approximately $43 off on Amazon. 5/8 wrench, 3/18 Allen hex, and 7/32 Allen hex, assembly lube, and some grease, and a socket wrench. Let's get going. 3/16 Allen. Here I'm using, I don't have actually any all-purpose grease, so I'm just using some brake lubricant. If I have to change it later, I will. Struggled a little bit trying to get the shift lever onto the shifter shaft, but was finally able to get it. Remove the old shifter from the shifter shaft. Alright, I don't have the rubber spacer, so I just had to make one out of some hose until I get a new one. As you can tell, this is a lot better than what it was before.